category is snacks. Category is snacks. Here we go. Apples or oranges?
Oranges.
Or why?
I love oranges. I love oranges.
Okay. Overnight oats or cooked oats?
Overnight oats.
Same.
Like it?
Yes. It's the best.
Soaking milk.
Yes, me too.
Gusto ko goma.
Yeah.
Para kayo compatible pa.
Alam mo naman. Yay! Hindi sinasabi ko.
Hindi na sabi ko! Hindi na sinasabi ko!
Mainit na ho. Yan sinasabi ko eh. Kaya talaga ho. Tapos, kaya na pa.
Hard-boiled egg or egg sandwich?
Okay, let's talk about eggs. Hard boiled.
Hard-boiled because
Because it's hard.
it's hard. That's a great answer. Round of applause, everyone. Category for you.
Yes.
We have the different choices.
Ano tingin mo sa akin ha?
Yogurt or smoothie? Yogurt or smoothie?
Yogurt.
Yogurt. Crackers or bread?
Crackers or bread?
Bread. Toasted.
Toasted.
With butter. Oh,
Lots of butter.
Lots of butter. And century tuna on top. Oh, with
Century
cheese.
rice na yan.
Yes. What about dark chocolate cake or carrot cake?
Carrot cake.
Oh my gosh, me too.
Oh my God! Sino mas compatible tayo? Alam mo talaga!
Alam mo, bumabaki na kayo.
Grabe eh.
I like this game. And next, we move on to our next category, which is sports. For you first, Richard. Would you prefer basketball or football?
Basketball.
Bagay sa height.
Basketball, yeah.
Yes. Rowing or fencing?
I love fencing.
Fencing.
I've been national athletes for 7 years. Fencing.
Right.
Yeah.
I'll ask you a little bit more about that later during the Q&A.
Yeah.
And we'll get to Aga next. What are your preferences in sports? We have running or cycling?
Cycling.
Cycling. Golf or swimming?
Golf.
Oh, really?
Oh, again?
No, I was going to say I swim. But I
Okay,
can't
golf and cycling.
Our next category is fruits. Going back to you, Richard. Banana or mango?
Banana.
Bananas.
Yeah.
Shake.
Banana shake.
Yes. The more
With peanut
workout.
butter.
Yes.
More calories.
Yes.
Stop it.
How about rambutan or lanzone?
I love rambutan.
Oh,
I
me too.
love it.
Me too. Very good. Very good for the summer. And
Pero yung shooting namin, ng course namin, may sino nagpadala ng Lanzones? Parang isang sako yung inubo ng Lanzones. Sabi ko, huy, nag-shoot tayo? Hayaan mo na. Bukas pa ang epekto nito. Sabi ko, bukas pa ang epekto nito. Oh, man. Nakikaya na rin ako.
okay lang, fruits naman.
Tapos, isa sako eh.
What about kiwi or avocado for you?
Avocado.
Avocado. Yes, agree. Watermelon or melon?
Watermelon.
Perfect for the summer then.
Watermelon.
Watermelon. I love
Sa
that.
baba rin. Yeah.
Agree. Wait, very disciplined. Good
Diba?
job.
Pag-aralan mo na yan, at the end of the day, they're all healthy, but you really need to calorie count talaga.
That's true. And I think we have our final category.
Yeah.
We have drinks.
Drink.
Drinks naman. Water or orange juice?
Water.
Water. Wine or champagne?
I don't drink alcohol.
Ayun, that's an hidden choice.
I take wine at the time.
Wine is good too, yes. Soda or milk tea?
Minty.
Milk tea. Apple juice or pineapple juice?
Pineapple juice.
Very good,
Yeah.
very good. And for you, Aga,
Yes.
we have jasmine tea or green tea?
Green tea.
Green tea, antioxidants.
Coffee.
Yes. Oh, speaking of, iced or hot coffee?
Hot coffee.
Sparkling wine.
Parang fruit shake.
Machine.
Kasi pagka sparkling wine, red wine na talaga ako.
Sige, fruit shake, mga sparkling wine.
Ayun.
Sama mo na.
Sparkling shake. Na
Sparkling
spice.
shake. Sparkling shake.
May last one pa pala. Last category. We have under the sea. So anything under the sea.
Area.
Ariel, that's your choice. Okay, agree. Mackerel or sardines?
Ano?
Mackerel or sardines?
Mackerel.
Mackerel. Bangus or tilapia?
Bangus.
Bangus. Lapu-lapu or maya-maya?
Maya-maya.
Ah.
Maya-maya.
And now, century tuna hot and spicy or flakes in oil?
Hot and spicy.
Spicy. Hot and spicy.
You like that also?
I do.
You like it also?
I do. And if you eat spicy stuff, it's better for the metabolism.
Really?
Apparently.
Let's eat more of that.
Let's eat more spicy stuff.
Yes.
Oh, next one. Last one.
Wait, congressman. Ano ba?
Spicy.
Marcaga.
Napawisan ko niya ako.
Narinig niya yung congressman. Dahil lang. Oscar Goma.
Bangus belly or bangus fillet?
Bangus belly.
Bangus belly. Agree. Galunggong or hasa-hasa?
Galunggong.
Yes, fried, no?
Galunggong. Tsaka yung, meron pa isang galunggong na masarap. Yung sa palayo.
Paksiw.
Tulingan yan tayo.
Paksiw. Baka.
Tulingan. Di ba ang tulingan galunggong?
Tuna naman ito.
Iba nga.
Wala na maliit.
Balik nga ako. So, hindi ako.
Pero ano, baka paksiw ng pagkalito.
Paksiw. Paksiw.
Masarap yun.
Sige.
Paksiw, di ba?
Sushi or sashimi?
Sashimi. Sushi rin, minsan. Kasi parang may kanin na.
Oo. Meal na siya, meal.
Yeah.
And finally, century tuna's flakes in oil or with calamansi?
Parang sa pareho na yan. So I'll do flakes in oil. Tapos ako naman dalaga. But flakes, yung calamansi is okay din. But sa plate kasi atin ang calamansi, pwede lagyan ng konti ng
Oh, diba?
Madami na magagawa.
Truly, truly versatile. Well, thank you so much, Richard and
Thank you.
Angela.